In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off X-ray on Amazon Prime Video. Let's start with a quick reality check so you know exactly what to expect. There isn't a permanent, account-wide switch to turn off X-ray on Amazon Prime Video. X-ray is designed to pop up contextually to show cast info, trivia, and soundtrack details, and Amazon doesn't currently offer a global disable. The good news is, you can hide it while you're watching, and it only takes a moment. Here's how to do it on a computer using a web browser. First, play the movie or show you want to watch. As the video starts, move your mouse so the playback controls appear at the bottom of the screen. When the controls are visible, look for the X-ray button. It typically looks like a small eye icon and may be labeled X-ray. Click that button once. You'll see the X-ray panel or overlay disappear, which means it's now hidden for this viewing session. A quick note on what "for this session" means. The toggle you just used applies to the video you're currently watching while that browser tab is open. If you back out to choose a different title, refresh the page, or start a new session later, X-ray can show again, and you'll need to click the X-ray eye icon to hide it once more. Think of it as a per video, per session toggle, not a permanent setting. If you notice X-ray briefly reappearing when you move your mouse or pause the video, don't worry, that's normal behavior. The overlay is designed to show up when you interact with the player. If it keeps popping up, simply stop moving your cursor and leave it where it is on the screen. After a moment, the controls and the X-ray overlay will fade away and you'll be back to a clean, distraction-free view. You don't have to click anything else. If you're not seeing the X-ray eye icon right away, make sure your mouse is actually over the video area so the controls become visible. On smaller windows, the text label might disappear, but the eye icon is still there. Click it once to hide X-ray and you're set. To recap the key idea, you can't permanently disable X-ray across your account, but you can hide it instantly while you watch by clicking the eye icon on the video controls. And if it pops up again when you interact with the player, just stop moving the cursor and let the overlay fade. That's all there is to it. Quick, simple, and distraction-free viewing.